Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. This is our Zettelkasten week, where we get to talk about the ways that we can expand our collection of cards to help us become better writers. Well, this is Monday, our compass. So, Victoria, are you ready to give them an overview?
I am. So this week is pretty straightforward. We're just going to dig a little deeper into what have we created so far, and then how do we capture that in our notebox. What I'm going to give you are just a couple of tips for ways that you can start to grow out those branches. I haven't talked about branches or pools in a while, so that's the direction that we're going to head, but I'm not going to tell you too much about it. So come back tomorrow and I will guide you through how to start growing out the sections that we've talked about over the last couple of weeks. Kathleen?
Oh, how exciting. I can't wait to hear about that. Well, we've been talking about kindness all month. So this week, when we talk about Zettelkasten, of course, we're going to be capturing experiences of kindness. I'm not going to go into much detail right now. Be thinking about experiences of kindness. And when you come back tomorrow, I'll talk to you about some guidelines of what to look for and what kinds of experiences you might want to capture for your Zettelkasten. So come on back tomorrow for our map day. Bye-bye.